Is this you when you're carving rugs? Do you feel like you're on a leash and the cord is hindering your stunning carving abilities? Has the cord turned into a snake and started threatening your life? Then you need da-da-da-da, a cordless carver. And you might be thinking, Heather, that is so tiny, and also there's a Furby on it. And you'd be right on both accounts, but it is missing its butt. You do have to screw its butt on, and there it is, butt screwed on, ready to go. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Artsymadwoman and I do all things rug tufting. Today we are going to be talking about cordless rug carvers. Mine is some junk from Amazon. I just wanted to try it out before I spent big doll hairs on it. Also, if you want yours to have a Furby sticker as well, I'll link the stickers below. The reason I got a cheapy one is because they all kind of look the same. They all work by having this like external screw-on battery that you can recharge. This is what she looks like. This is her hole. Stop. You just screw the battery onto this back part. Ta-da! Obviously it came with the charger dock thing as well. Something I had not considered about these is that the battery might be heavy. Is heavy. Alright, the battery alone weighs 6.6 ounces. The top part weighs 9.5 ounces. Together they weigh 1 pound. Does the math there? I don't know, I'm not doing it. My heavy duty carver weighs 12.6 ounces. So yeah, a bit heavier. But if the cost is that it's a bit heavier, but I don't have to deal with the wire, I might do it. I might. Another thing to note is that there is a singular button right in the Furby's crotch. There is no speed dial. There's no changing the speed. There's an on and an off button. All right, well, I am a little worried because for some yarns you do have to turn it up or down in speed. This is a level, ladder in like this. My goodness. You get it. Okay, so that does this. All right, well, now the time is nigh. It does also say that this carver has 4 to 5 hours of battery life. All right, first test is going to be leveling. Oh, but it's not getting caught. That's great. Okay. You know, we should look at the time. 1:45. No, 12:45. What the hell? Okay, so it's doing fine, but it is doing that thing where, you know, sometimes it's just going like so fast that it gets a little caught sometimes. All right, not gonna lie, this thing was what was making it get caught. I ripped this thing off and tried leveling myself just with the carver, no level, and it's fine. It's working perfectly fine, so. Anyways, so it's all level now. We can get started. What up? I'm gonna yap at you about this thing. So the one singular speed that this thing has is like maximum overdrive. Compared to my heavy duty carver, it kind of looks like it's going faster than the max speed of my heavy duty carver. Which again, sometimes certain yarns need the carver to go slower, because sometimes if the carver is going too fast, the yarn just kind of gets caught in the carver. Maybe I'm just goofy, but I have had that happen before. But for this, I honestly did not have that problem at all. It was cutting perfectly fine. But I do feel like if you were carving cotton, you might have a problem. Well, it is 5:45 and it shut off. So the 4 to 5 hour thing was pretty accurate. I got everything besides the tail and the name. I'm gonna let it charge overnight and we'll be back at it tomorrow. I would like to point out my wrist. Yes, this is going very fast, but please take note of all the different directions my wrist is going, okay? Just keep that in mind for later. Put it in your pocket. This is how it came out. But this video is not about the rug. This video is about cordless carver. And honestly, I loved it, but I kind of knew I would. The only thing that I don't love about it is how heavy it is. I mean, I think you can even see when I was doing the text. The text is where my wrist started to feel not great. So like when you're holding it, all of the weight is on the back. So, you know, and I carve, I don't know if I carve like a crazy person, but you know, I'll go this way and then I'll flip it and go that way. So I'm tossing my wrist around, and that means I'm throwing this weight around, and it hurts. We're on day 2, by the way, and it is dead. I think I killed it in like 4 hours today. So I've logged like 9 hours with this thing. Holy shit. Anyways, 9 hours, me and this baby together. Pros is that it's obviously cordless, so I'm not tethered. There's no wires to kind of get caught on things, because I cannot tell you how annoying that is. My wires get caught on all kinds of things, and I'm literally whipping it around all the time. I think my heavy duty carver is much better. It's hard because I almost, unless I'm like forgetting something, I feel like the only major pro is that it's wireless, but that's a huge pro. The cons are the weight of it, which it's not crazy, but you know, we weighed it together, so you can kind of decide that for yourself. The 4 to 5 hour limit on this one specifically. So ones from like actual tufting brands might have a better battery life. Like I'm pretty sure All Things Effie has one. And not being able to change the speed, I really don't like that. All in all, a really great backup carver. I wish that my heavy duty carver and this could have a baby. Maybe that's what the All Things Effie one is. God, I just really wish it had speed dial. Not like, hello, speed dial, but, you know, a dial for speed. I have a need for speed. All right. Honestly, like my shoulder hurts. This one, the holding the carver. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and got something out of it. And this is a commission, because I do commissions now. Links for everything are down in the description. As always, thank you very much for watching this video. I love y'all to absolute death. Absolute death. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Carving. La, 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 la.